Hi there, how are you? I hope you are well. This is Monar Hussain from Squarespace Web Expert. In this video, let's go to my screen. I will show you how I built this Squarespace website. So you can see this website made by Squarespace, and on this website have home, about, offering, and under the offering I have include a arrow button there with the custom code. So for your drop down, if you want to include look like that way, the uh, drop down icon, the arrow icon, down arrow icon, so I can include it with the custom code. If you need that, please let me know. Okay, and then here I have three drop down page. Here I have a music page, here I have a project page to showcase their project, and here I have an artist and codes page as well. And for this codes page, this code space is just for like as coming soon page or something look like that, coming soon or look like that. But our main course feature is not linked yet because my client course is not ready yet to publish. That's why it's on under the node link, and once it will be available, then she can sell the course on her website. And this website have also the shop functionality, it's mean online store functionality. And here have the product things, and my client chose this font, and hopefully it goes with the music type website. And event and concert page, we can display here the concert that do my client, and here is the event system. Here we can see the past event and the upcoming event as well. And if anyone click view event, then they can see here the event details. And if my client want to sell the ticket, then I can include here a services product, and people can buy it, the ticket, from the event functionality. And then I have an testimonial page. If I will go to the main live website, so it will be good to see. And on this website there have the client testimonial that I have include here a carousel, and it's going right side and left side. There have an arrow, and we can make it automated scroll as well. And then there have a contact page. There I have include a contact forum and my client video and some of the picture. And once anyone fill up this information, it will go in a submission. Like as if I will fill up it, no, I don't want to fill up it, but the information will go here. If I will go to the contact page, and if I will click and edit there, and if I will click the forum, this is the editor mode. If I will click the forum, if I will go to the storage, and here if I click manage the submission, then I can see who have submitted the forum here. All of the submission we will get here. Okay, here you can see, here is the submission. Okay, and then let me go to the live website again, and there have include the blog page as well, because my client want to write the blog post in every week. So here I have a blog page, and this blog page will help to rank your website on Google search result. So the blog page is very helpful for a website, because Google robot want something new on the website in weekly or monthly. So it's very mandatory to include a blog page on your website, so your website SEO will be more stronger. So yeah, that was the project that I have done with Squarespace. And if you have a Squarespace website and you want to do redesign, or if you face any issue with your Squarespace website, you can just knock me. I can work on your Squarespace website, and I can make your Squarespace website workable, and you will get the client from there. And as well as after done the website, if you need the search engine optimization assistant, then I can do that as well for you. And as well as if you need the meta ads help, then I can assist you with that as well, to do the promotion of your website and get sell from there. Okay, so that's it. If you need a Squarespace website, you can knock me. I have a lot of experience with Squarespace. If you need the custom code as well, then I can do. If you have a Figma file or a reference website and you want to create your website exactly look like that, then you may knock me. I can assist you with that. Okay, so that's it for today. Hopefully we will see on the meeting because on my video description have my Calendly link. So just book a free consultation with me. Let's talk about your Squarespace website and let's get started to create your website. Okay, bye for now.